Hi guys, let's start. We just came to hotel room, and here we have a good open bathroom, um, and then this sink, and we have a very light bathroom, and we have a wardrobe and safe, and we have AC and TV. We can have drinks here. We have TV, we have books, and we have a fridge. We have a double queen size bed, and yeah, we have a private pool here, and it's so cool. And now we are getting our lunch. We ordered biryani, and sorry guys, we ordered lamb rice. We have a second floor also, guys. Let's go there. Food was amazing, guys. We ordered the seafood and vegetable rice for dinner. Starter was a soup, and dessert was caramel pudding. For morning, we ordered string hoppers. We can give 10 out of 10 for foods. Now we are going to beach. Where? I think so. Let's go. Sintala hadulaki dekutulutemu lassana matete asarali tirunu. Wow. Now we are going to beach, and let's see what is there.
What to do?
What to do there? I don't know. Yeah. Here is the Ambalangoda beach.
No, we came to nearby beach that has been situated in Rookada Heritage Villa. Nearby, ne?
Yeah.
It's not that much beautiful place, but somewhat manageable.
Somewhat managed. Yeah. Now, as usual, there are a lot of rubbish and politics. What to do?
Like that.
God, people destroying the nature. These people are destroying the nature.
The sea is dangerous today, making so much big noises.
I think that wave is don't go too much. I mean, that waves are very
Dangerous.
dangerous.
Yeah. He's fine. I don't know why.
Is it මං විනාශ කරගෙන I am destroying. Wow. Don't be take photos. Don't you take photos? Why? Beautiful scenery. It's beautiful. Don't you take photo?
Yeah, we want.
Let's take. How about your beach life?
It was a good day today. Actually sunny. Sunny means can't even bear. And you know?
But do you like
No, not that this much sunlight.
sunlight?
Yeah. It's actually a sunlight which will be that means
It's warm
the
here.
soft sunlight.
Yeah. No.
That much brightness. We are just walking towards the other edge of the sea nearby us. Yeah.
Beach.
This is the sea, no?
No beach.
Yeah, we are going to the beach. Yeah, actually on the beach. But we are on actually can't walk there.
Ooh. Why?
Yeah,
Why we can't walk?
because we have to walk to the hotel right now, ne?
Exit.
Yeah.
Please remember. This is our exit, and here we are. You can see the wave. I think it's rough, and really it's not safe for trying. Yeah, can you come? It's getting rough and rough.
Yeah, road sea.
Huh?
A road sea.
Yeah,
Alright?
it's becoming bad. Let's go.
Yeah. Not that much.
Thank you for watching, guys, our videos, and we are in home again, and we hope that video was good and enjoyable. Mm, like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye, guys.